Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to insert image in Photoshop. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you need to add a photo to Photoshop or several photos, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So open Photoshop and in the upper left corner click File and Open. Select the file and click OK. You can also open the file with Ctrl O. Also select a photo and edit. As you can see, these photos do not overlap each other but open separately. To add an image on top of another, click File and select Place. Select a photo and add it. As you can see it above the first photo. You can also simply transfer photos from a folder as I did. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.